Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another portfolio update. So this month I'm sitting at $144,093 inside of Wealthsimple Trade, and I received $395 in dividends for the month of February, and I basically took those dividends inside the non-registered account and continued depositing them inside the FHSA, in addition to taking some money from my paycheck and putting it inside VEQT as well. So I've been doing about $500 bi-weekly, just continue to buy VEQT inside that FHSA. And now I'm sitting at $2,600 contributed towards that additional $8,000 of contribution space that I got. So yeah, just continue to buy VEQT, which has been very steady. Um, the market has been quite crazy so far, starting with 2024, just everything going up nicely. A couple significant days and like swings due to like inflation reads, but overall the market's just been going up solid. VFE in particular had a new all-time high going over $120. So I'm actually sitting at a 17.21% gain just on price appreciation alone inside VFE. So that's pretty crazy, to be honest. So um, but yeah, just continue to buy that VEQT inside the FHSA, and I'm receiving my bonus from work next week. So should be about, I mean, prior before taxes is about $13,000. So like after tax, you take 33% off, be about like 9K. So I'll be able to max out the FHSA and start contributing towards that TFSA. So I'm just going to max out the VQT, and then with the TFSA, I'll probably start buying pretty much all these funds inside the TFSA. Um, in particular, I kind of want to increase that VEE and VIU exposure because I think the international markets are kind of undervalued, as well as VDY. The Canadian market has been taking an absolute beating, it seems. We've had a bunch of companies reporting earnings and hearing of layoffs and stuff. So the Canadian market sounds like it's in recession. I don't know if it's officially in recession yet, but definitely sounds like we're heading towards a recession in Canada. But we've seen a lot of, I think there's a lot of value inside of the Canadian market right now. So maybe a good buy right now. VFE, I would say, is starting to get high, but you know what? Like it's never a bad time to buy a VFE, so I'll probably buy some VFE too, because like when I first started investing, VFE was 109 or something like that, and it dropped all the way to 80. But if I bought 109, then it's still a good price relative to what it is now. It's now 119, so it's still a significant gain um, on VFE if you bought at that market top. So no shame in buying that as well. But I would think that these ones have a little bit more value, so I'm going to probably buy those inside the TFSA. And after that, there's the tax refund in March after I receive my T4 from work. And that could be a large amount due to the sheer amount of deductions that I'll be able to do off my income due to the RRSP and the FHSA. So with the FHSA, it's going to be like $16,000 deduction from because I'll receive that bonus. I'll max out the FHSA. That's $16,000 to be able to deduct off my income, plus the RSP, which was like I think around $8,000. So that's like 20, almost $25,000 I can deduct off my income for 2023. So that's quite insane. I'll definitely be using that, and I should get a good refund and be able to max out the TFSA relatively quickly after that. And then that's the TFSA and FHSA done, and then I would just have to work on the RSP. With the RSP, I'm doing the 100% VOO. As we can see here, this little hidden cell. I'm going to be buying that inside the RSP to get around the withholding taxes. So yeah, that's about it for this month. Yeah, allocations are looking good. Everything's going really well. I would say even this week there was one day where the market was down over 1%, and you just need to be able to stomach those days because right now the market is seeming to increase in volatility. So especially as your portfolio starts to increase in value, like this $6,000 up since the last update, a lot of that's coming from the market. Um, you got to be able to handle it going the other way. So just remember that stay true to the course and keep investing. Um, there's never a bad time to keep buying inside the market. So definitely just keep dollar cost averaging whenever you have money and trust the process. So um, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.